Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Hiring Mentor. Well, in today's video, I'm going to describe about what are the 5 sectors that will provide job in 2021. Before starting this video, I would like to ask a few questions to you all. Well, do you know what are the sectors that will provide jobs in 2021? And do you know how to apply for those jobs? Well, these are the questions I would like to ask. And let us start this video. But before that, let me give you a brief introduction. Well, India is advancing at a breakneck pace, and all sectors that are building on technology will definitely emerge as winners. Well, as the technology has been improving every day, then definitely the work progress of our nation is also increasing, and definitely the hiring rate will also increase among these sectors. Now, let us look at the quote. Even though your time on the job is temporary, if you do enough work there, then the work will last forever in that sector. So this is the beautiful quote. Now let us start this video. Well, as you can see, the first sector is chemicals and pharma. Well, I think you all have heard about the pharmaceutical companies that manufactures medicines. Well, the government of India launched 2 schemes in the month of July this year for the promotion of indigenous manufacturing of active pharmaceutical ingredients, that is also known as APIs, and drug intermediaries. If you have a problem in getting a job about the application of the job, then you can approach the Apollo Skills Department, and you can also comment us in the comment section about this job process, and definitely we gonna help you out, or have a look in our website about this job process. Definitely we're going to provide you the information needed for it. And coming to this next sector, electric vehicles. I think you all know about some famous manufacturers like Hyundai, Mahindra, MG Motor, and Tata, among four-wheelers and a host of two-wheeler manufacturers, including TVS, Bajaj, and Ether Energy, are leading, and they're mainly focusing on bigger projects like electric vehicles with no usage of fuel in near future to the people. So as they are mostly focusing on the bigger projects, then definitely they will recruit more people in this sector, and definitely the hiring chances in this sector will be high, and definitely you will get a job in this sector. So this is also one of the sectors where the hiring rate is more in this year 2021. And now here, logistics and supply chain. Well, one of my friends, Adrija, will describe about this and the hiring rate and about the job process and about the recruitment of this. And she will also describe about the other sectors as well. So over to you, Adrija.
So now I will be discussing about logistics and supply chain and about this segment. So this pandemic has made the world realize the need of regionalize supply chain and avoid too much reliance on China. So first things first of all, you must check that the company which you are joining, it is completely an Indian company, or even if it is some foreign company, make sure that it is not of China, because as you all know that China is waging a war against us and it is one of our leading enemies. So we are not going to join in any Chinese company, because we are following, the Indians are following a propaganda of boycotting Chinese goods, especially after this COVID pandemic, and Wuhan being the epicenter of this pandemic as well. So make sure that even if you're joining a foreign company, it's not China or run by Chinese government. And we also should make sure that we boycott Chinese good and influence the Indian culture or Indian goods more. Now, second of all, logistics and supply chain is one of those important sectors which are going to flourish more in 2021, because we have all seen before in the lockdown session that we all know that few of the sectors has been badly hit during the pandemic and has really gone down. But on the other hand, because of this pandemic, there are many sectors as well which have got benefited, and logistics and supply chain is one of those sector. Because the reason is very simple. During the lockdown period or during the quarantine period, people were restricted to go out from their home, and they used to make all the necessary items within online delivery. So as a result of which, online delivery platforms like Amazon or Flipkart were more enthusiastic and got enthralled in their business. So as I said, that logistics and supply chain, if you can join these companies, you are more benefited, because even if the vaccine has been influenced or introduced, this kind of quarantine system or other COVID protocols are still going on. And this quarantining or restricting from going out, going into crowds will continue, and people will try to do more of their shopping, starting from groceries to even normal accessories from online. So once again, logistics and supply is again a very efficient sector which is going to flourish in 2021. Now moving on to the next topic, we have health and hygiene. While hiring becomes slower in the wake of global pandemic, essential services as in the medical and public health fields were stretched thin for talent. Now, we all know that hospital and hygiene or this healthcare services is never out of employment. This is one of those sectors which always flourish and is going to keep flourishing, whether we are going through in pandemic situation or whether it's a normal situation, because India is always running short of doctors, nurses, and healthcare services. So this is an always upcoming sector. So if you think that your educational qualification is up to the mark, you can definitely always apply to this particular sector, and this is one of the most top priority I would like to give. Moving on, we have agriculture and food and agriculture is again a very important and prospering sector. And be it pandemic situation or be it normal situation, this is again one of those sectors which are going to flourish in a regular as well as in pandemic times as well. Because as we all know that India is one of the second most populated country in the world. Also, poverty in our country is increasing day by day. So food, essential service like food is important for survival of any human being. This is one of the basic needs. So definitely it is needless to say that this kind of sector will always be upcoming. So this means that our food requirement is perennial and recession proof. So if you have educational qualification like of BSc agriculture or horticulture or this kind of things, qualification, then you can always apply for this particular sector. It's very prospering, it's very enthusiastic. So that is it. Now moving on to the next, and I think we have come to the end of our video. And in conclusion, I would just like to add that amidst the ongoing political tension, the sector that can adapt to current tides will have first mover advantage and will lead to creation of job opportunities in 2021. So as I said that due to the pandemic, the entire situation of job aura has changed completely. It is very important for a candidate to research about the job, to research from beforehand that whether it is having good prospects now and in future or not. Because and then according to that we should move on to apply for this job or not, because job satisfaction along with salary is also very important. So this is all that would I like to say in concluding to this video. So that was all, guys. I hope you all like this video. If you've liked, then hit on the like button. Write on the comment section what next topic you want us to make a video about. And if you're new to our channel, then subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that the next time we come up with a video, you get notified immediately. Thank you.